Right, so I'm going to show you how you can pull or download your repository to your local computer. Unfortunately, all of my 12-month documentation that I put in on my Obsidian was deleted. I'm not sure if I deleted it in sometimes, but like when I tried to pull that, it's not there anymore. So sad. But yeah, anyway, the good thing is I put that into my repository, but like it's not the files that I want because this is an outdated version. And the recent update I did is 5 months ago. So I really recommend that if it's just important files, you need to keep your repository synced into your local files, sync into your GitHub account. So yeah, so what we're gonna do is we want to pull this repository to our local computer so we can start updating and putting again the documentation. Okay, so first is you need to open any folder where you want to put that repository. I created a folder into my C drive called important files, and then we'll open a terminal. I already connected my GitHub. If you haven't connected your GitHub account yet, you just need to put in a git config command line. I'm gonna put the command line, like you just need to put this one into your command, into your terminal. But I already authenticated, so no need for me to do that. And then after that, we can then get in it. We can initialize it. It's already, I already initialized. That's why it's saying reinitializing. But if you haven't done that, first is you authenticate or you log into your GitHub and then you initialize it. Once you initialize that account, you can then start cloning. Now, before you clone the site, you need to also determine what branch it is it, because like if you just simply go in git clone and put in the repository, it will pull the default branch. So as an example in here, my default branch is empty. I have masters and I haven't done anything in yet, but I'm planning to have a different documentation for the masters, like a pillar of all the documentations I have. So just keep that like that. But like if you just git clone and then the repository, you're pulling the wrong like branch. So if you have different branches and you want to pull that over, you want to pull these files, you just need to add this extras. I'm deleting it because I don't need that, but like to target the correct branch, you just need to type git clone and then add this B, and then what's the name of the branch? The name of the branch is master, and then the repository link. So it's cloning, and as you can see here, it has more, like here, like this is what I want. So that's how you can pull the files, and then you can start working on that and updating it. I'm going to create a different tutorial on how you can upload the file again into your GitHub, how you can keep it synced. That's a separate tutorial. Hope that helps.